Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your English teacher, and today we are going to start a new chapter of your textbook, that is of English grammar. So let's get started. In verbs. Read the sentences given below. Meena goes to school every day. Bird fly in the sky. Baby cry when they are hungry. The word goes, flies and cry are doing words. ये हमें ये बता रहे हैं कि वो क्या वर्क कर रहा है. So that's we called as doing words. They tell what Meena, birds and babies do. वो क्या कर रहे हैं ये explain कर रहा है. So that's why we call it doing words. Goes, fly and cry. They are called verbs. और इसी words को हम लोग we call it verbs. The words which tell us about what a person, animals or thing does is known as doing words or verb. Underline the verbs in these sentences. Eat your breakfast quickly. So students, here eat word is the verb. My sister sings well. So here students, sings is the word, that is verb. Third, the dog barks at night. So barks is the word is verb. Like this, we have to underline the verbs in the giving sentences. Now student, am is an are. Read these sentences. These are also verbs. I am a dancer. The dog is very active. The chair are new. So am is and are is also verbs. The word tell us what I am or the dog is or what the chair are. They do not tell us what I, the dog and the chair are doing. Am is and are also called verb. They are not the verb which tell us about doing. Is, am, are जो verbs है वो हमें जो person है या thing या कुछ कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में express नहीं करता. But then also they are verbs. Other similar verbs are was, were, shall be, will be and so on. Verb also tell us what a person, animal or thing is. कि that means person, animal or thing अपने आप में क्या है. It also tells about that. Underline the verbs in the following sentence. In this following sentence we have to underline the verbs. Monica is a good girl. So in this sentence is the verb. Meena and Veena are sister. Here are is the verb. The dress is gorgeous. Here is the verb. The baby is hungry. Here is the verb. Sachin is a good batsman. Here is used as a verb. The tree in the garden are tall. Here our word is the verb. Like this we have to underline the verbs in these all following sentences. Now the next verb is has and have. Read the sentences. Mona has a new pen. We have a new pet. The word has and have tell us what Mona and we have or possess. They do not tell us what Mona and we are doing. Has and have are also called verbs. Had is another verb of the same type. Verb also tell us what a person, animal or thing has or process. उसके पास वो चीज क्या चीज present है वो भी हमें verb बताता है. Underline the verbs in these sentences. Tanu has long hair. So that's why we have underlined has. The doll has blue eyes. So we underline here verb that is has. We have learned about verbs which have only one word. Now let us read some sentences where the verb is made of more than one word. Read the sentences. Abhi is playing in the park. Here is playing this Both of these words combine and form of two words, that is verb. The train will be reaching the station at 4 p.m. Verb will be reaching made up of 3 words. Underline the verbs in the following sentence. Now students, we have to underline the combining words verb in these following sentence, like as we read, the stars are shining in the sky. Here are shining is the verb which is made up of 2 words. We are doing our homework. Are doing is the verb which is made up of 2 words. Vineet and Vishal are reading book. Are reading is the verb which is made up of 2 words. The plane will be arriving soon. Here the verb is made up of 3 words, that is will be arriving. So like this we have to underline the verbs in the sentences. Tell us what they are doing with the help of the words given in the box below. Students, here we have to fill the brackets according to the pictures. The boys are playing. Jyoti and Ragini are dancing. Susan is eating a cake. Malini is reading a book. So according to these pictures, we have put it the verb in the following brackets. Now students, fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Here the box is given in which some words are given. So we have to fill according to the sentences. The boys dash in the garden. So we use play. Mohini is singing. I always come to school. I have eaten my dinner. So these are the words which we have to fill according to the sentences. Now students, our verb chapter is finished and we will move to a further chapter. That is am, is and are. Chapter 16. Read these sentences. I am a good singer. She is a teacher. The students are attentive. The word am, is and are verb. These words tell us what a person, animal or thing is. Let's us read some sentences to understand their uses. Am. I am happy. I am her brother. Is. Veena is a student. She is a doctor. This is my classroom. He is in the library. It is a book. There is a butterfly in this room. Are. We are players. They are friends. These books are mine. There are 3 books on the table. So students, choose the correct words from the bracket according to the sentence. Mihika, a good girl. So why we have used is here? Mihika is a good girl because Mihika is singular person, as well as we all know that Mihika is a word which is singular. I am. With I always am goes, so I am a student of class 3. There are many stars in the sky. We are talking about plural things, so that's why we use are here. Like this, according to plural singular, we have to use the words in these sentences. Fill in the blanks with is, are or am. We have to fill the sentence with the word is, are or am. A fly is an insect. Here we are talking about only one fly, that is singular, so that's why we use is here. These books are interesting. Here we are talking about a lot of books, so that's why we are taking are as a plural. Mr. Mathur Miss Mathur is our class teacher. Here we are using is because it is singular. I am happy to see you again. Here with I am goes. So like this, let's revise what we have learned in this chapter. Am, is and are verbs. They tell us what person, animals or things are. So students, am, is and are is also a form of verb. Now students, we will move to chapter 17, that is have, has and had. Read the sentences. I have a pencil. Sonu has a new bag. They have a new house. Vikas had a white t-shirt or shirt. Has, have, had are verbs. They tell us what a person, animal or thing has or possesses. As, have and had जो verbs है ये हमें ये बताते हैं कि वो animals, person और thing के पास वो चीज क्या present है. Let us read some sentences to understand their uses. Has, he has many books. He has a blue sweater. February has 28 days. Have, I have long hair. You have a letter. They have a farm in their village. We have a red car. Somnath and Jia have a new video game. Had, we had a coconut tree in our garden earlier. We had a red bicycle when he was in school. Like this, we use has, have and had as a form of verb. Choose the correct words from the bracket. We have to choose the correct form of the word from the bracket in the sentences. I had a beautiful ring, but I lost it yesterday. Why we have used had here? Because we are talking about the old ring. Minnie has a sweet smile. So here we use has with Minnie. They have a little puppy in their house. Here we are using because of there we use have here. Last night we had a party at our house. We are talking about last night, so that's why we have used had. Like this, student, just try 5, 6, 7, 8 by your own. Fill in the blanks with had, has or have. An octopus has 8 legs. They have a library in their house. She has a new dress for her doll. I have a pink umbrella. We have a garden in our new house. Like this, student, just do by your own. It is same as before. Has, have, had are verbs. They show what a person, animal or thing possesses. Had is used when we talk about things that have already happened or done before. Now students, we will move to a chapter that is chapter 18, was and were. Read the sentences given below. Jyoti was a good student. The children were polite. Here Jyoti is a singular word, so that's why we have used was. And the children were the plural word, so that's why we use were here. Was and were are verbs. Here was and were is a form of verbs. Let us read few more sentences to understand their uses. Was, I was sad when I lost my pet. So here a singular person is talking, so that's why we use was here. The classroom was big. Teacher was a sweet girl. It was sunny yesterday. When we are talking about yesterday or the past things, we use was as a form of verb. Vivek was ill. He was an honest man. were. They were happy when they won the match. We were very tired after the match. Vinith and Aman were hungry. Here we are talking about plural things, so that's why we use were in all the sentences. Choose the correct words from the bracket. Here, students, we have to choose the verbs according to the sentences. Mohan was an intelligent student. Why we have used was here? Because was we use with singular person and Mohan is a singular person. They were in the park in the evening. Here we are using, because of there we are using were here. Like this, student, just try 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by your own. Fill in the blanks with was and were. Here also we have to fill the blanks with were and was according to the singular, plural or the sentences. The books were interesting. We are talking about the books, so that's why we use were here, that is plural. Meera was 7 years old when he met her last year. We are talking about Meera, so that's why we use was here. The sky was cloudy in the morning. The children were naughty. Children, because of children word we have used were here. The woodcutter was an honest man. We are talking about the particular woodcutter which is singular, so that's why we use was here. Like this, student, just do by your own. Let's revise what we have learned in this chapter. Was and were are verbs. They tell us what person, animal or thing were some time ago. So students, now this chapter is finished, and if there is any query or doubt related to this chapter, you can ask me anytime.